Okay, and I'm going to do the first three problems of this maze with you. Um, because I don't know if you've ever done one of these before. Um, so it'd be really great if we started it together. Um, to get full credit, you need to show all the work. I don't want to avoid any kind of misunderstanding or hurt feelings. So just making sure that you guys see I have paper for the work here. Um, and you start with this bold box. So I'm going to write this problem down for r squared minus 90 equals 2r. The first thing I need to tell you is that you don't do every problem on this. It's a maze. It doesn't touch every problem. So we're not going to do everyone. Um, so just so you know, you don't have to do them all. I'll show you how it goes. The first thing we do is get it equal to 0. So I'm going to minus 2r from both sides. And then I'm going to divide by 2 because I want to make the number smaller if possible. And the first thing I'm going to try on all of these problems is box and diamond. And if box and diamond doesn't work, I'm going to do quad formula. If you like quad formula, you can go for quad formula every time. I'm not going to check the method that you use. So it's up to you, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't for box and diamond. Okay, so I have to put some thought into this. Does this one work? Yes. Negative 10 and 9. Okay, but let's say you were at home and you didn't think it worked. It's okay. You just failed the quad formula. It's not a big deal. Okay. 2r r minus 5 plus 9. If you can do zero product property in your head, that's fine. I don't ever show any of this when I do these problems. I just do it in my head. But anyway, these are your two answers. Okay, so you got your two answers, right? And then you go back to the maze. You guys with me? You go back to the maze and you find the correct two answers, which is this one. And then this leads you here. And then this is the next problem, what we're going to do. Does this make sense? Okay. So again, you don't do all of them. You just only do the ones where the maze goes to that. And then you're going to get at the end with the smiley face. So x squared. Okay. Now, I got to be honest with you. Because I'm a math teacher, I noticed that these three answers coming off of here are all quad formula style. And I'm pretty sure the answers are not -8 and 13. So I can deduce for myself that the box and diamond is not going to work, and I can go straight to quad formula. You can use your powers of analytics to help you go faster. You have powers of analytics. Okay, but you could look at this and say the answers are probably not -8 and 13. And you can't go backward in the maze, so that one's out. So you're only left with those three that look like quad formula ones. See what I'm saying? Saving us time. Kinda. But you know, if you tried diamond and box, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. Okay, so x equals -b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X equals -4 plus or minus root 16 plus 4. Okay, so 20. What times what is 20? 10 and 2, beautiful. And then 2 and 5, beautiful. Yep, circle, cancel. Okay, let's see if you guys learned about the reducing. What do I reduce? All three of these or nothing. So -2 plus or minus root 5. Okay, now we have pure excitement. Are you ready for the excitement? This is going to be satisfying. Okay, so I went here to the corner. There's only one possible answer. I don't have to do this one. Okay, now we're going to do this one together because it's a little different. And there's Q's in it. Okay, now with all of these problems, the whole page, everything on this entire page, you have to get it equal to 0 first. So I got to move this stuff over here. I'm going to minus 12q plus 9 minus 12q plus 9. Okay, something weird is going to happen. So I have 8q squared minus 12q, and those cancel, and I have equals 0. Okay, those are not like terms, so don't put them together. Everybody with me so far? Okay, no. Okay, this problem, you can box and diamond, but why? Just GCF. What's the GCF of these two? 4 and Q. And if I GCF 4Q, what's left over? Three times 4 is 12. GCF out 4, so you divide by 4. 3. Distribute in your mind. What did I do wrong here? Oh, nothing. Sorry, I looked at the answer choices. I thought I was wrong. Because I looked at this one and I thought I was negative and I did it wrong, but I did not. Okay, now we're gonna write down the next one and then I'm gonna stamp you guys. You need to keep going. Oh, you're right. We don't have to there. Oh, Violet, you're awesome. Let's be smart. Let's be smart. You can't go back to this one. You can't go back to that one, so it has to be this one. Oh, Violet, you just saved us so much time. You're the bestest. Oh my gosh. Okay. They all look like quad formula to me, though. Okay, but I wrote it down. I want to get you guys started, then I'm going to come stamp. So we have to get this equal to 0 first. And you're thinking just move that over would be easier, but quad formula is so much better when the squared term is positive. So for me, I would undo all of those things. Okay, and the only thing that really combines is these two. So what's 2h squared minus h squared? H squared, and then I have minus 2h minus 17 equals 0. Okay, you guys try to quad formula that while I am stamping.